Write an equation of a parabola with focus of 3, 0, directrix x equals -3. So I'm going to go through the same steps. I'm going to start by plotting my focus at 3, 0. We'll label it with an F. My directrix is x equals -3, so I'm going to draw a line through the x-axis at -3. That's my directrix. My vertex is going to be halfway between the focus and directrix, which puts me at the origin again. It's not always at the origin, but it happens quite a bit. Alright, then I can draw my parabola. I know my parabola can never cross through the directrix, right? It needs to go around the focus. You can pretend like you're playing Pac-Man, right? Pac-Man needs to eat the dot, which is the focus. Alright, so the direction, this one opens to the right. Alright, our axis of symmetry. I'm going to draw a line through the vertex and the focus. It's almost like you're playing connect the dots, but you just keep going. Alright, the formula, or the equation for the x-axis, which is our axis of symmetry, is going to be y equals 0, because anywhere on the x-axis, y is in fact 0. Alright, my p-value. So I'm counting the distance from the vertex to the focus. That's 3. I could also count backwards towards the directrix. Doesn't matter, it's still 3. And then I also need to determine, is my p-value positive or negative? Well, my parabola is opening to the right. It's Pac-Man, he's eating all of the positive values, so my p should be positive. That's just a little trick that you can use to remember if it's positive or negative. Okay, so I'm ready to write my equation. Should I use the y equals or the x equals formula? Well, this is opening to the side, so I should be using x equals. So it's x equals 1 over 4p, parentheses. Now we're switching the x and the y, so now it's y minus. We're also switching the h and the k from the vertex. So that's k squared plus h. Alright, my h and k come from the vertex, and then my p we've already stated is 3. So x equals 1 over 4 times 3. Y minus k is 0 squared plus h, which is 0 also. I just need to multiply right there. We get 12. So x equals 1 over 12. And again, I don't have to put all of those extra zeros. You can leave them there if you want, or you can just rewrite it as y squared. Either way is perfectly acceptable. So that's it. That's the equation for this parabola.